Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the networks, then go to the tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can switch your hotspot, but firstly you have to add new password, at least 8 characters. Oh my god. So here you can set up your hotspot. For example, you can change its name, you can broadcast SSID, you can change security protocol, you can change password, you can set maximum amount of connections, you can also select broadcast channel, and you can set timeout for your hotspot, which means like after which time your hotspot will be turned off automatically if nobody is connected. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.